What if you could own a thriving business in the heart of the city? With a steady stream of customers and proven success? Introducing a rare opportunity to own a profitable laundromat in one of Metro Manila's busiest hubs, Makati City. A loyal customer base, both self-service and full-service options, and a prime location near two major city boundaries. This business has been growing even after the pandemic, showing resilience and profitability. And a state-of-the-art commercial-grade equipment and a dedicated team to ensure seamless operations and high-quality service. Thinking of making a smart investment? This is your chance to step into a well-established turnkey business with a strong operational foundation. This opportunity won't last long. Send us a message now to learn more. We'd be happy to set a confidential chat and discuss about your entrepreneurial future. If you made it this far, you are built different. Drop an emoji in the comments and follow for more.